Students, good morning to all and welcome to class 12th English lessons. Today I would like to take the same chapter, The Enemy, from the book Vistas, part 3. I have already uploaded before this part 1 and 2. I hope that you have gone through it. Okay, so today I am going to discuss the characteristics of the main characters of this text as well as the critical analysis of the text in the form of important questions. So let's begin. Okay, so we will see first character sketch of Dr. Sadao Hockey. Okay, his name is Dr. Sadao Hockey, Hoki. Fine, so let's see about this doctor. He is the main character of the story, and Dr. Sadao was a Japanese surgeon and scientist, we can say. Fine, and he was brought up by his father. How was he? He was a staunch Japanese and devoted to his culture. Fine. That's why Dr. Sadao became a skillful doctor and scientist to fulfill his father's desire. What was his father's desire? His father wants him to go to America for higher studies, right? Because he was very much concerned about Sadao's education. Then Dr. Sadao went to America, right, for 8 years. At the age of 22, he went, and at the age of 30, he returned, right? Why? To study medicine. And he became a famous scientist as well as surgeon. Then he married Hana with his father's approval. Here you can add that when he met Hana first time in America at professor's house, fine, he made it very sure before marrying her that whether she belonged to Japanese or not. Then with his father's approval, he married Hana with the proper traditional custom and rituals as per. Then the general also had a deep faith in him as a skillful and expert surgeon, right? So he was so skilled. We have seen the text that he was so skilled and he has developed, we can say, a specialized surgeon, right? Who can clean the wound without leaving any mark. So he was so skilled that the general was totally dependent on him. That's why he had blind faith in him as a skillful and expert surgeon, right? Further, we can add he was loving husband, right, and a good father. Why loving husband? Because he consulted and respected his wife. When a wounded man, a prisoner of war, was washed ashore, right, near his house. So before curing him or before giving him treatment, every time he consulted his wife, fine, and he respected his wife, we can say. And good father means at the same time he was worried about the future of his kids, right, in case he was arrested. Okay, and meticulous and good decision maker. Yeah, of course, he was very meticulous. Meticulous means methodical. Whatever he did very carefully, right? Very with much dedicated and committed service he gave to this prisoner of war, because he thought, because he was caught in a dilemma whether to cure or whether to hand him over to the authority. So that's why Hana and Sadao both did not dare to put him as he was in the sea first, right? First they were thinking to put him, throw him away, but they did not dare to do. And whatever he did very methodical. He checked it very carefully, minutely, and then he operated the prisoner of war and he cured him perfectly. And not only that, but he helped him to escape from there. Why meticulous here? One more thing in meticulous you can add, because he at the same time he was very loyal towards his country, right? Patriotic, because he informed the general about the prisoner of war, fine, because he has given shelter, and even he informed that he treated him. But at the end, towards the end, we have seen that the general had taken, right, responsibility to send his assassins to kill, but he failed. That was a different thing. So towards the end, even general takes blame on himself. So this way he was very meticulous and he was a very good decision maker, and ultimately he decided to help this man to escape from there. So this is all about character sketch of Dr. Sadao. Let's see the next, that is character sketch of Hana. Hana is none other than Dr. Sadao Hockey's wife, right? So here we can write an ideal wife mother and a true Japanese. She too was a Japanese girl, fine, and she was very ideal in nature, right? Very dedicated wife, we can say, fine, and she is patriotic. And the second point I have written, patriotic and humanitarian with a compassionate heart, right? Because why? Because she supports her husband in keeping with his decision. She gave her full support, shoulder to shoulder. She was always with her husband in taking every decision. Fine. She was very devoted wife, because when servants refused to help to clean this prisoner of war, Hannah did everything on her own. Right? So she did not take help from any servant, because servants totally refused. Balanced personality. Why balanced personality? Because we have seen on the seventh day, altogether when servants left the house, she had to take care of children, she had to do household work, right? But then too, she balanced herself. She at the sometimes she gets annoyed, sometimes she gets like scared. She was very frightened that in case if Sada would arrested, but in every time she kept herself very calm, cool, and then she helped Dr. Sadao. So we can say here she is balanced personality. She is the dignified lady, correct? Dignified. She maintained the dignity of Dr. Sadao, right? As a true doctor. Because he was a doctor, he was a very famous surgeon and scientist in Japan. And she maintained the dignity of the doctor, being like committed, like doing her all the services, right? Despite being worried, tensed, and scared, she never loses her temper. This was very like the unique or unusual, extraordinary quality of Hannah, we can say here, because as I have told you, that sometimes she was very much worried about her children, in case if Sada would be arrested, what would happen, okay? Then she was very much tensed when all the servants left altogether. Servants were not ready to help her at all, fine. And she was very much scared. When she was very much scared, because the one day when a messenger came in official uniform to call Dr. Sadao, that general wants him. So that particular juncture for her, it was like very much, she was frightened and scared. Okay, but though general called Dr. Sadao for his personal operation, but then too that it was the time, because that time Tom, we can say the prisoner of war was, he was in their house, and but then too she never loses her temper, and she managed everything very carefully and very nicely, and she had Dr. Sadao, fine. So this is all about, we can write about Hannah, Dr. Sadao Hockey's wife. Then next we will see Tom. Who is Tom? He is an American prisoner of war. So here we can say, right, he's in a physical appearance, you may write in the beginning in the chapter, it is given white in texture, okay, skin, not very old, he's young, okay, young man. He was shot, gunshot he had, and he had escaped from the prison, right? And he was found in a wretched condition. He was found in a very bad condition. He might, so when at the first time when Hannah looked at the prisoner of war, she thought that he might have faced torture, pain, and suffering in the prison, fine. And but at the same time, Tom also displayed a fighting spirit, right? Fighting spirit. Now this was evident from his speedy recovery, because he could recover very fast. Okay, he was not scared, fine, he was not scared. And because Dr. Sadao saved his life by operating upon him and taking out the bullet, and this particular juncture he too displayed a fighting spirit. He never gave up, and he gave also enough support, right? That's why Dr. Sadao could operate him. And towards the end, we can say that he was surprised and overwhelmed by the generosity of Dr. Sadao and Hannah, because he didn't want to even leave their house, as he felt secure there. During his days of treatment, staying in Dr. Sadao's house, he never felt anything to worry about, right? He was feeling himself, so he felt so secure there. Then finally, with the help of Dr. Sadao, he was able to escape. So this is all about Tom, an American prisoner of war. So these three are the main characters of this story. Now last Okay, there is one more, the general. Okay, the general he's the Japan's army general. So general is the Japan's army general, we can write. He is, at the same time, he is Dr. Sadao's patient. Yeah, of course, he needed Dr. Sadao. He is very old, right, ailing, and he had a deep faith, right, only in Dr. Sadao for treatment. That is the one of the reason that Dr. Sadao is not sent abroad with the Japanese army, right? Because the general himself has been at Princeton and has more faith in the doctor trained in America than in Germany, right? As according to him. But Americans had sentiments, but Germans were cruel. Okay, Americans had sentiments, but Germans were cruel. He assures Dr. Sadao. That's why though this was his faith, but he had a deep faith in Dr. Sadao's treatment as he was a famous scientist and surgeon. And when Dr. Sadao informed him about the prisoner of war, right, taking shelter at his house, so that time he assures Dr. Sadao to get rid of the American soldier. What did he say? That he would send his private assassins to kill him and remove the body. Okay, but he forgets due to self absorption. Here, he did not forget. We can say there is one line you can write here. The attitude of the general in matter of the enemy soldier was, right? Attitude of the general in matter of the enemy soldier was not due to lack of national loyalty, we can say. Okay, human consideration or dereliction of the duty means knowingly ignoring the duty, but only and only due to self-absorption. Their self-absorption means he was very much worried about his personal sickness and disease. So in that, because due to that, he forgets to send his assassins to kill and remove the body, right? And the taking the advantage of this, or we can say, or because of this, Dr. Sadao helped prisoner of war to escape from there. And after 1 week of general's operation, when Dr. Sadao went to inform the general, he took blame on himself and saves Dr. Sadao, because the general knows the worth of Dr. Sadao as a surgeon and as a scientist. Okay, so does not want to lose him, so he protects him. So this is all about the general, we can say, the Japan's army general. Last but not the least, we have Dr. Sadao's father, very important, right? Behind, though he is throughout the story is not there, but in the beginning we see about him that he was a very traditional man, traditional Japanese man. He believes in culture, tradition of Japan particularly. And he was a great, we can say, motivating force for Dr. Sadao when he was a child, right? Because when Dr. Sadao was a small child, right, he gave him a very strong message that no one can limit one's future. One's future depends on our own hand. So that was the great message he gave. Okay, and he was a very serious, we can say, a stern personality, right? And he was very concerned father. Why? Because his main concern was about Sadao's education. He wants Sadao to get good education. That's why he sent Dr. Sadao to America for higher study, and Dr. Sadao at the same time also fulfilled his father's desire or wish, we can say, that he became a famous scientist and surgeon. And but at the same time, he did not want Dr. Sadao to stay in America. What did he want? He wanted him to come back and serve his people, right? This shows towards the loyalty, or we can say towards faithful towards one's own country or one's own place where we live in. Then he had a great respect for his culture and tradition. That's why Dr. Sadao got married with Hana with his father's approval in traditional Japanese culture. So this is all about Dr. Sadao's father, we can write. Now here I have given important questions. These questions precisely deals with the critical analysis of the chapter, children. So please note the value points of this. Now all the 3 questions I have written a different way, but more or less it speaks about the critical analysis of the chapter. First and foremost is good human values are far above any other value system, right? Comment with reference to Dr. Sadao's, how he helped, right, prisoner of war in order to escape. Humanity is the essence of our existence. right? Comment with reference to the chapter, the enemy, or we can say humanity versus patriotism. So all these are more or less related with the main theme of the chapter, we can say message of the chapter, or we can say analysis. Now I have note down few value points for you. So I ask you children, please note down these value points in your copy. Let's see the value points, what all things you can write in this. Fine. The first and foremost, we can say that we all are human beings, fine, and we are the most superior species on the earth. Why we are most superior species? Because we have emotions such as empathy, humanity, compassion, love, devotion. All these qualities in human beings make us superior than any other living being. This is one thing, right? Now, second thing we can say, because every human heart breathes these emotions. God has put all these qualities in each and every human being, means to say, fine. And humanity is the most important trait in our personality, because it is above all territories, caste, creed, color, race, religion, etc. etc. Okay, so what we should remember? We must remember that though we are divided into various countries, continents, states, etc. Okay, but don't forget that these territories are constituted on the basis of ethnicity. Okay, and these are governed by the laws we have made. It is not by nature, it is we have made. Okay, whereas few other value points here. But for nature, there is no such discrimination. For example, the sea, the sun, the rain, the air. Okay, it is same, irrespective of caste, creed, culture, religion of all human beings. Okay, so we can conclude humanity is the oneness, one particular oneness of each other, the essence of our existence. Okay, when we speak about patriotism, so patriotism is what? Patriotism is loyalty to one particular country or place where we live in. Fine, this we all know. And it is comparatively, when we compare patriotism with the humanity, comparatively patriotism we can say as a narrow. Why? Because it's a set of strengths focused on tending others. Right? So ultimately, humanity only the thing that acquires highest place among all virtues. Okay, it is a humanity only. And with reference, this is I have given the value points based on humanity versus patriotism, but you have to give reference from the text of Dr. Sadao, being good human being as well as we can say good true patriot. Okay, because though he helped prisoner of war to escape from there, but at the same time he was a loyal citizen of Japan and a true patriot. That's why, so when he went to the general, he told him everything and sought his help, right? And he had no pity for the white man and considered him his enemy only. But due to his primary duty was to save the life of a man irrespective of caste, color or creed. That's why for a doctor, his patient is beyond any prejudice. That's why he treated prisoner of war Tom. Are you getting my point? So whenever you write answers, you have to be very precise in your vocabulary and in your expressions, children. Here, generally, our children, they lose marks because their expressions are not, we can say, precise. So everything should be very, very clear and it should be precise and it should be relevant to the questions. So I hope that with the help of these 3 videos, this chapter would be very clear to you. Then to children, you need to read the chapter more than 2 to 3 times and listen to this video, right, more than one, so that you will be able to get all the concept. And please have writing practice. Okay, writing practice in the sense of the good phrases, good vocabularies, fine, and relevant vocabularies. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So children, along with this video, I am also sending PDF file of question answers. So you please go through and note it down in the fair copy. So thank you children. God bless you. Have a blessed day ahead. Bye.